Hello, I'm Cassandra Kukovaj, and today we're going to go through my Google Classrooms. So as you can see, when you first open up the page, you see this image right here. And I really liked that you could select a theme, or you could even upload your own photo. So you could add a photo of your class and really personalize this area for your students and make them feel welcome and excited about the course and what's to come. So moving on down, we have our mission to assignment. And I thought it was really great to have the done and not done. It makes it super quick and easy for teachers to really go in and check everyone's progress. Moving down here, I have the welcome to the course. And in this, I added a few little tidbits of information to hopefully ease everyone into the routine of the Google Classroom. I even added a video. I personally enjoy watching video tutorials, so I thought I would offer that to my students as an option. Over here, you can see that you can create an announcement, create an assignment, create questions, and reuse a post. Moving forward, here you can see my students, and I have our professor here. And going off of that, we have our Mission 3 or our classroom materials. On this side over here, you can see the teachers, you can see the class drive folder, the classroom calendar, and a Google Calendar. So I loved the Google Classroom so much that I decided to go ahead and use it for my sorority. I'm a part of Delta Zeta, and I'm the new member educator. And part of my job as the new member educator is to really prepare them for their membership as a Delta Zeta and their Delta Zeta career. So in here you can see that I've made a few announcements, just giving them reminders of little things that they have to do. Some files that I created as an assignment for them to complete, and we go into more detail. We go a few weeks back and you can see a few of the other materials that I've added for them. I really like over here because you can see the different topics that we have, and they can just quickly click on that and it'll take them to anything under that area. Here you can see my students just like in the classroom for our EDLT 368. But something I found when I was creating my Delta Zeta classroom is that I could display the code. So when I had 7 girls in my room asking me, "What's the code for the Google Classroom?" I could quickly pull this up and they could see it in a large print and they could fill that in at their own pace. Back to this area of our classroom, I love our class drive folder. It makes it super easy to divide it up by week. So you can see here that I have the week before they started, and then we get into each week as they go. And I can create new files and continue to add those, and they'll get them instantly. So they don't have to wait on our meeting till Monday. They can get it exactly when they need it. And going back to our classroom, specifically for my Delta Zeta classroom, I love that I have the option to go to the Google Calendar. In here, they can see everything that's going on, and it's just right there with the click of a button. So thank you for watching about both of my classrooms. I've really enjoyed this, and it's something I'll definitely use in the future.